Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This is my personal experience using the service discussed. Plain Green Loans offers short-term installment loans designed to bridge financial gaps until your next payday. Available primarily online, their application process is straightforward and can potentially provide quick access to funds. While convenient, it's important to consider the costs involved. These types of loans often come with high interest rates and fees, so it's crucial to carefully evaluate your budget and repayment capabilities before committing. Make sure you fully understand the terms and conditions, including the annual percentage rate, April, repayment schedule, and any potential penalties for late or missed payments. Comparing Plain Green Loans with other short-term lending options, such as payday loans or lines of credit, can help you make an informed decision. Explore resources from reputable financial institutions and consumer protection agencies to understand the potential risks and benefits associated with short-term borrowing. Remember, responsible borrowing involves borrowing only what you can afford to repay and making timely payments to avoid accumulating debt. Consider exploring alternative solutions, such as budgeting, creating an emergency fund, or negotiating payment plans with existing creditors before resorting to high-cost loans. Ultimately, understanding your financial situation and making informed choices is key to responsible financial management. Always prioritize your long-term financial well-being when considering any loan product. Thoroughly research the lender and read customer reviews to gain a comprehensive understanding of their services and reputation. By taking these steps, you can make a well-informed decision about whether Plain Green Loans is the right option for your specific needs. While they can provide quick access to funds, remember to borrow responsibly and prioritize your long-term financial health.